Hey guys, I'm in Kensington Park in Savannah, Georgia. What are you talking about? Location? Man, the convenience of this home is insane. Also no HOA, but you can get to the Truman Parkway downtown really quick, out to Tybee real quick if you're surrounded by shopping, by restaurants. So this is a really cool house, just under $600,000. We got a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with over 2,700 square feet. Let's go check it out.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
We are on our way in. 2-car garage from the front. As you can see, like I said, the bottom part, brick. Love that. Like I said, this neighborhood's super quiet. Okay, super quiet. Super close to Duran, which is one of those arteries that go through our city. It takes you right to 16. It can take you to, Macon, Atlanta, all that kind of stuff. Pooler. But man, when you walk in, boom, look at that. Love it. And this house is very unique. And it's like, what happens when you get one of these older homes that have been fixed up. I mean, obviously the unique factor is gonna be wow, right? But look at the wide open space. And this is not even the unique part. Not yet. You got the bay window right there, it's really nice. Wood floors going on up in here. This particular home was built in 1960, so definitely upgraded from the 1960s time frame that they bought it. As you can see, modern light fixtures. Man, this light fixture is really blowing my mind here. Look at this thing. That is crazy looking. I can imagine I'm trying to eat my dinner and I got this crazy thing up there. I don't even know what I'd do, but yeah, look, here's your dining room area. What I like about this, it's open in the places you want it to be, but not wide open like in some of these newer homes. So let's go in here, like the tile floor they got going on here. Cool blue cabinets going on. Like they took their time in here. Look at this. Let me just get you a good shot of this going on here. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, I like the tile backsplash, double oven they got going on there, stainless steel appliances. And of course you got the range top, like a little coffee bar. I mean, and I like the wood shelves they got with the light fixture for the huge pantry. So man, this is such a great kitchen. I love it. Okay, so you got a way out to the back right that way, but we're not gonna go do that right now. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna tell you, once again, updated light fixture. We're gonna go down here, because this part is actually super cool, right? So you come down here, you're leaving the kitchen, right? You're like, okay, if you're an owner, I'd put my owner suite down here, and I'm gonna just give you the idea, right? So, you're done eating, you're like, oh, I'm gonna retire for the night. You walk in from, there's your living room, through the kitchen, down here, bang. So once you enter in here, it's like you're in a different spot. Like, oh, wait a minute. What is happening here? Is this a secondary living room? Is this the game room? Like, what is this, right? But this whole section is really convenient for the owner, right? So if you wanna do like an owner suite down here, we're about to walk through, you got your half bath right there, right? You got your laundry over here. You got a cool living room area kind of situation going on. I mean, you can just put a movie theater in here, have it right outside the primary bedroom. Like, that'd be super cool. Look at this. And of course, bang, laundry. And they got a laundry chute. Look at that. You don't even need to leave your primary bedroom to dump your clothes in there. But look at these closets. Bang. One closet. Okay. 2 closet. Bang. Under 600,000. Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, this location is killer. If I had, before I bought my home in Port Wentworth, if I could have bought one in here, I probably would have. My wife would have been a lot happier. She likes being in Savannah. And I understand, Savannah is great, right? Port Wentworth, you gotta get a little bit of a drive. We got our traffic issues, which if you're not from our area, Port Wentworth is pretty much becoming industrialized. So we are actually trying to stop that. But I don't want to go back into that whole thing. But here is the primary bedroom. I mean, oh my gosh, so much room, so much space, however you want to do it. And then I got a full bath here. Bang, look at that. So you got the half that's all the way over there for your guests, because there's no other bathrooms beside these two on the first floor, right? So that half bathroom would be serving as your guest bathroom. But of course you can come out here. What I do love is, man, you got a door outside from your back, from your bedroom. Love that. We're gonna come back outside. Just want to show you what you're walking out to. All right. And with the, I'm gonna tell you right now, with the world of HOAs that we're dealing with right now, it's hard to find a super nice neighborhood that doesn't have an HOA. So just keep that in mind. You get the freedom to do what you want, but everybody over here is respecting each other. I would say probably not everybody, but you know what I'm saying. Here's the 2-car garage on the inside. You can probably, it's probably a 1.5. You can't fit a half car in there, but you know what I'm saying. It's more like a 1-car garage with, what do they call that? They got storage, so. Or you can put a golf cart if you really, I mean, if you're about that life. I don't know if you want to get on Durin with a golf cart, but maybe a really souped up golf cart, I don't know. All right, we're coming back through the kitchen. I want to take you guys upstairs before we go outside, because, you know, the inside is so unique, so nice, so awesome, as you can see right there. Now, let's go upstairs. They like to add character, and if you're looking for a home with character, this is the one. Typically when people say character, it means it's a fixer-upper. This one is not one of those instances. This is a home with actual character that you can actually move in right now. Look at those wood shutters. Look at that. Old school wood shutter. These real wood. This isn't fake wood. Not faux, right? The real stuff. But even the upstairs rooms are big. Look at this. 2 closets. Then you got like a chest of drawers built in. Like what? So you don't even have to have other furniture. You can do it like they did. That clears up space. Then they have their own bathroom in here. What is going on up in here? I don't know. What are those extra reams for, you think? Is that for hand towels? Interesting. I don't know. Quartz countertop right there. I love this thing. It's like a piece of furniture, actually. This isn't a normal vanity. There you go, yep. And then we got their own shower in here, which I like. This is really cool, 1960s. Bang, 1960s. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's for soap and shampoo and stuff. Look at that. Very smart. Very smart. Okay, now, I don't know what this is. We're already up here, so let's go check it out. Bang, that's me. I didn't know I was in the closet. Interesting. There we go, okay. The next room is kind of cool. And we'll get to there, but it's got a little hiding compartment, so you definitely don't want to miss it. I was actually blown away. I was like, wait, what? Now I'm starting to look at this mirror and wonder, is that a hiding compartment? What are they hiding? No, that's where you put your toothpaste and whatnot. Wow. Super cool, super cool. This looks like the 1960s, right? So they kept some of that old flair from the 60s in here. And now, is that good? Is it bad? I don't know. I feel like it adds character. Some people see Pepto-Bismol. Whichever one you are, put it in the chat. Yeah, this is definitely so the 60s. So it looks like the upstairs is trapped back in time. They took a DeLorean. What? Wait a minute. Look at these handles. Wait a minute. I didn't even notice that. Those are nice. Whoa. Okay. Fancy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is the one. Hunter green, right? Is this one hunter green? Nice sized bedroom. All wood floors like you see, but this one's got that secret. Hiding people. Look at this. You can hide. Like hide and seek style, just up in here. I don't know if it's a known space, but people don't know. This could be like a danger room. Or you can have a secret compartment for like, you know, your like diamonds, or if you've got like gold bars, or potentially like Super Bowl rings or something like that. That could be a perfect place to hide. All right, here's the last bedroom. Right there. Again, wow, very, very nice. And here's, you know, you're in this one. You see outside, nice view. Okay, now let's go check out the outside. But it's just like here, look, I mean, yeah, they put some love into this home. So, and it's super clean, no problems right now. So I haven't seen anything that's like standing out. So let's go back downstairs. I like, you know, they redid the metal. Typically, you see stuff like it's all rusted out. They repainted it. That's good. Let's see this coat closet right here. Bang. Yeah, so now let's go check out the back. Another hidey hole. But you can put a little doggy door right here. You can have a little doggy hiding spot. Whoa. A lot of cool places to hide up in here. And I just want to, real quick before we go outside, because I just want to show you real quick. These doors are like, it's not just like your regular flat door. It's kind of curved, right? And then you got these cool handles right here. Beautiful. I mean, yeah, daggum. They did a good job on this one. Wow. Okay, they're locking me out that way. I don't feel like getting the thing. So we know there's another way. We know we can go out the back this way too. Another quick preview of the primary bedroom. We're taking a quick left. All right, let's go back outside. Like I said, it'd just be better to go this way, right? Okay. No fence, how you doing? All right, so there's your deck, as you can see. All right. Bang. Looks like a brand new roof too. Hey, buddy. All right, so we got the yard right here, as you can see. Got a little brick separation right there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this house is pretty amazing from what I've seen. Like I said, built in the 1960s. So if you're looking to be in Savannah, in a location that is, I mean, I gotta be honest with you, pretty spectacular. If I could move back to Savannah to this home, without causing major discomfort, you know, moving and all that stuff, I would definitely buy this one. The location in and of itself is fantastic. If you have someone that wants to live in Savannah, like this is like Midtown Savannah. You get downtown Savannah like that. So if that's what you're into, if that's what you're looking for, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. We can get you into this home, check it out. And I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.